In this video, we are going to create a mobile speaker amplifier. We will follow an interactive tutorial. To begin, go to SelfCAD, then select Interactive Tutorial. Search for Mobile Speaker and open it. To start creating, activate the shape generator from the generator category. We are using this tool as it allows us to build the shape using adjustable segments, which is essential for shaping a smooth acoustic chamber. Next, we will set the parameters. Deactivate Fill Top by unchecking the box. Leaving the top open helps create a hollow structure, which is important for sound amplification. Now, set the number of edges to 64. We are using a higher edge count to ensure smoother curves, which improves both aesthetics and sound wave flow. Set the height to 40, bevel segment to 1, and bevel level to 20. Click the plus sign to add a new segment. Then modify it by setting the top radius to 50. Adjusting the radius helps gradually expand the internal chamber, allowing sound waves to travel and amplify naturally. Deselect the fill bottom to keep the structure open for internal continuity. Then set the bevel segment to -1. Add another segment by clicking the plus icon in the Segments section. Then set the top radius to 65, height to 100, and bevel segment to 0. This extended section forms the main acoustic chamber. Add another segment, then this time round, set the top radius to 100, height to 45, and bevel segment to -1. Widening the final section creates a flared opening, similar to a horn speaker. The mobile speaker is now taking shape. Finalize it. Go to the Modify section and select Add Thickness. Set thickness to 5, then finalize. Adding thickness strengthens the structure for 3D printing and improves sound reflection inside the chamber. Select the Rotate tool, then set Z rotation to 90 so the model lies on its side. This orientation aligns the speaker for practical use and prepares it for the phone slot. Finalize the rotation. Next, we will create the slot where the phone will be placed. Activate the Cylinder tool, then adjust its size and position to match the phone dimensions. The slot must fit the phone snugly while aligning the speaker output with the amplifier chamber. Proper positioning ensures maximum sound transfer into the chamber. Finalize the shape. To create the slot, we need to subtract the shape. Select both objects, activate the Boolean tool, choose Difference, then select the cylinder mesh and finalize. Boolean subtraction allows us to precisely carve out space without manually reshaping the model. You have now designed a functional mobile speaker amplifier. Next, slice it and send it to the 3D printer.